Welcome back to the another video. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to create new form in a Microsoft form. So let's get started. So here you can see on the screen one form open, which is the student registration form, and you can easily see who to look like the form. So I want to create the similar kind of form from the scratch. So create a new form from the scratch to navigate your Microsoft Form dashboard. So here you can see now I'm in my Microsoft Form dashboard. Create the new form from the scratch. Simply click new form button. After clicking on this new form button, I will be navigated on this form page where you can easily configure your form or rename it or simply added the new field in your form. So firstly I click on this title and rename my form with I call it student registration. After giving the title to my form, I want to add the some field look like this previous form, which is the first name, last name, gender. To simply add the new field this form, simply click on this quick start. After clicking with, you can see the some field type is appear on your screen. So which kind of the field type you want to use in your form, that choose. First I want to use this text field. So select this field. I will call this first field first next. Similarly I want to create last. I want to add a gender. So gender particular choice field. So here I want to choose this choice field. Here I call it gender. Now here you can see they suggest the options like a woman, man. You can save your time. You can easily choose this particular option. If you want to create the manual, then click one, rename it. You can easily create the new option for the format. I want to choose this prefer option, which is a woman and man. After adding the genders, I want to add the date of birth. Then I choose the date field and rename it DOV, which is the date of birth. Then I lastly want to add a to field, which is the phone number and email. So simply click on it. With the statement on it, phone, email ID. All the fields I want to in my form, which is I have created successfully. So if you want to view to the styling of form or you want to change the background of your form, simply click on the style button. Then at the right side you can see which is the one panel open. They suggest you some background. If you want to choose the particular background, then select this particular. Here I want to choose this word. Simply I click on it to see. Now here you can see it successfully set at the form background. Then I want to show you the most important option, which is the collect response. If I click on select response, you can see This is the one window approval, which is the send and collect receipt. If you form created successfully, but if you want to share this form with the other colleagues or friends to fill the data to submit the responses from their side. So here you can choose this anyone can respond. Then you can there are two options for you to share your uh, form to colleagues or friends. First is the you can share this URL or other you can share this QR code. But QR code if you basically use particular cases if you created a post for the LinkedIn then you can easily display there to your QR code to register the form. But in this demo, I want to use this web URL. I just copy this link uh, uh, for to add the new response to my form. I will show you the how many responses now generating in this form. Here currently you can see zero count is displayed on this screen. So no one response is generated now. Let's start it to create the first response. I simply paste this copy link here. Now here you can see the form is appear on the screen. I simply add the sample data here. Storage. So I choose the gender from the date of birth, number, basically email ID. Filling the all data in my form. I simply at the below click on the submit button. Submit my system. Now here you can see the confirmation message on the screen, which is the your response was submitted successfully. So let's check in the Microsoft form your response is submitted successfully or not. So here you can see the one response generated successfully, and this is the data you already fill in your form. So this is the basic step to create the new form in the Microsoft form from the screen. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and share this video with your colleagues or friends. Thank you.